How to send USDT to your Phantom Solana wallet. Click on receive, then copy your Solana wallet address, then open up any third-party crypto exchange, let's say Binance or Bybit. You can also use Coinbase, as I said, any third-party crypto exchange. Then you just need to click on the withdraw and then click on withdraw. Now you just need to select USDT and click on send via crypto network. Now make sure to paste your wallet address just like so, and it will automatically detect your network as Solana just like so. Then you just need to enter the amount. Make sure to start with 5 or 10 USDT. If you have a minimum of 50 withdrawal, that means you have to go with the 50 depending on your crypto exchange platform that you are using. In Binance it is 50 and the fee is very high, which is 3 USDT. So I recommend to send a bigger asset like Bitcoin or Solana directly in your Phantom wallet first, then you can simply swap it for the USDT. So anyways, this is the way of how you can send USDT to your Phantom Solana wallet.